Someone asked me, Sir, I have this question which I was supposed to ask afterwards, but I think it will make more sense now. When we wake up or maybe say, I am doing meditation and I am purifying myself for the image or my mood and I come afresh. But after some time, again, I feel impure because of the behavior of people around me. So my question is, how to focus on ourselves and not get affected by what others say or do? I said, if meditation brings that purity in the mind, why don't you continue your meditation all through the day? Then he said, because we have to do the work. Then I said, which means you love something more than purity. So you get what you love. You don't love purity. You don't get it. You love something else. You get it. He said, no. My point was, when we wake up, we are totally fresh and I feel that there is a clean image. But throughout the day, that image gets dirty. From the image, I mean, you can see pieces of clothes that get dirty. Then I said, so why don't you then spend your day, your entire day, as if you are still fresh? You know what fresh means? Not tainted, not corrupted. Fresh means something that has just come up from the source. So why don't you live your entire life that way in a certain freshness? No idea? One requires love for that. The meditation that most people practice is a very limited thing. Therefore, it can give you that purity that you talked of only for a limited period. Its effect wanes off very rapidly, but it gives you some relief. So you come back to it every morning. The thing is to remain meditative your entire day. And if you have to be meditative your entire day, then the kind of meditation will not help. The kind of meditation can at best initiate you, but it cannot carry you the distance, right?